Hello, Internet. Matthew here, and welcome to Whiteboard Hero, the show where I bring you an expert in a thing so you can learn a little bit about that thing. So the hero I've brought for you today is the lovely Andrea Cillo. She is an acupuncturist and a dancer, and she's going to talk to you about
Acupuncture.
All right, so get ready. Andrea, take it away.
Okay. So you had mentioned to me to describe this in a way of if somebody had never done acupuncture and they were interested in getting acupuncture, what would I say? And I think what I love most about acupuncture is that there's always a way to bring something deeper. It's not just shoulder pain or a stomach ache. There's always some other reason as to why that person is suffering the way that they are. And being able to take that deeper, I think, is the biggest, most important thing that you can do for your patients. So to just take a little slice of what I mean by that, we'll talk about yin and yang. So first of all, it's pronounced yang, not yang. So
Thank you. Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Yes, so everybody pronounce it yang, please. And how most people understand it is that there are these oppositional forces. I should probably draw
Please and thank you.
what it looks like so we all know. Forgive my circle, it's not going to be very good.
I'll hold the board for you.
Oh, this is just terrible.
That's close enough. There we go.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then like that. Okay, so obviously it should be more proportional than this, but you get the idea. We've all seen this symbol before. We all know what it represents, and that's the balance of yin and yang within the universe. So yin would be this dark part that's coming down, so that's associated with nighttime, the female energy, rest, all of the moon, all of those things.
Water and earth.
Water, earth, yeah, anything that's really like grounding.
Solid.
Solid.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And then you have yang, which is this rising energy. So that's the sun, that's daytime, that's energetic movement and activity.
Male energy, fire,
yeah, male
air.
energy, fire, air. You know the drill. So, but how most people understand these, again, is as oppositional forces, and they're actually not opposites. They're complements of each other. This little dot that you see in each of them, the white within the black and the black within the white, is actually the yin energy that roots the yang, and the yang energy that roots the yin. So each one of them has an aspect of the other that actually allows it to transform into the other. So they really are just two sides of the same coin. Now,
Unlike politics.
It's not something to start on politics. So, and I mean, you can take men and women, for example.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people think that we're opposites of each other, but we actually aren't. Men and women literally fit together like puzzle pieces, and opposites don't fit together like puzzle pieces.
Right.
Opposites fight.
Right.
So, we are actually complements of each other. And so, that's an example of how we can really take something and then break it down into something even deeper and get an even better understanding of it. So taking that and applying it to symptoms that your patients are feeling. So for example, upper tract pain, which affects literally everybody if you live
Currently
and
have
breathe. Yeah, we'll work on that later.
Thank you.
But pain up in here is most likely due to stress. And what makes people stressed out? Literally feeling that they're carrying the weight of the world on their shoulders. So when you're treating somebody for their neck pain, it's not just about doing some massage or releasing the muscles. You want to make sure you're really getting into why they're feeling that pain. What weight are they carrying with them all the time that it's causing so much pain and tension and suffering, So that is how you remove somebody's suffering, is really by taking everything that little bit deeper.
So acupuncture, you would say, at its root, is about balancing the energetic forces within the body.
Mm-hmm.
I had to boil it down.
You had to boil it down to everything. Yeah, it's all about creating, harmony. Yeah.
All right, so creating harmony, not just poking with needles.
Not just being stabbed with needles, yeah.
Okay,
There's
great.
more to it than that.
All right, so hope you got something out of this short segment of Whiteboard Hero with Andrea Cillo and Matthew of Hero's Breath. Stay tuned right here for the next one. Take care, everybody.